Welcome to part 4 of the video tutorial about pipeline pilot data functions by Discngine. In this video, you will learn how to create an interactive dashboard for end users.
Pipeline pilot data functions can turn a Spotfire document into an interactive dashboard where data can be retrieved, computed or transformed on the fly, based on user actions in text areas or by marking records. Starting from the Spotfire document we created in part 2 and 3 of this tutorial, we will add interactivity by exposing data functions parameter controls to the end users. The first step consists in changing data functions input parameters from being defined as static values to document properties. This can be done via the data function Edit Properties panel. We will create a document property for every input parameter we want to expose to end users. Let's now use a text area with form elements to expose the various parameters. The first input parameter will control the data loading data function by defining the number of rows to be retrieved. The second one will control the type of fingerprint of the clustering algorithm. When one input parameter of a data function property is changed, an indicator shows the data function needs to be updated. If the data function property refresh function automatically is activated, the data function execution is triggered anytime an input parameters is changed.
Thank you for watching this tutorial about pipeline pilot data functions by Discngine. You can reach out to us using this email address, connector@discngine.com.